Hi, Toney here with Lilla Rose and Essentially Styled. Today I want to talk with you about some fine-tuning flexi sizing. Now, if you don't know your flexi size or you have questions about that, try and find my other video on finding your flexi size. This is really for once you have a flexi clip and you want to maybe wear it a different way. It's just to help you kind of figure out how, if it's a little bit too tight, depending on when you've washed your hair, sometimes it can vary. So this is to help with those kind of days. So just minute changes. All right, one of the first things I want to share is we know that they're made out of piano wire. Okay, so if you're feeling like it is too tight and you can't get it it's really close, but it can't get around your ponytail, your half back, what you're needing, what you can do is squeeze the loops here, and it will elongate that just a little bit to make that, give you a little more space in there to make the flexi clip. And on the other hand, if you need it a little smaller, say you're wanting to wear it in a half back and it's a little bit loose for a half back, you can take those loops and push them in to make them more rounded. Okay, see the difference in one is more, this one's going to be more squished and this one is more rounded. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, so then if I want to make it smaller, I can gently, they're pretty durable, so do be careful though as you do it, but if you squeeze those loops and make them more rounded, it's going to make it a little bit smaller. Okay, so that will fine tune. The other thing you can do, which I love to do, and sometimes my size is a small, but sometimes I like the bigger clip, whether it's because of the beading style, the way the beads lay, or I just want a blingier clip in my hair. Unless I'm doing a French twist, I really can't wear anything bigger than a small. So this is one of our stylist exclusives, which I just love. It's new. And if you are unfamiliar with stylist exclusives, they're only available through your stylist, so you can contact me or another stylist that would have access to those exclusives. These are not going to ever be on the website, so a reason to follow along and find a stylist near you. So this is one, it's got that moon and that star, and it's a medium. Now it would normally, I'm going to show you, in a half back, fall right out of my hair. I normally wear a small, and it might stay for a minute, but it's going to work its way out and it's going to come right out of my hair. Okay, so the weight eventually is just going to pull and slide down. But one of the tricks you can do is you can take, now we don't recommend elastics when you're using Lilla Rose products, but one of the tricks you can do with an elastic is you take one of these Goody Clear elastic bands. You can get them in different sizes. You can find them at your local drugstore. But what you can do is you take that elastic, and I'm going to take several on this one, and spread it and wrap it around that pin. Okay, you see that? And then I'm going to go ahead and do several. Okay, same thing. I'm just going to wrap it around the pin. Now it will give it a little bit of girth, not much, but it will give it grip. Okay, so it's going to catch. This is great also if you have really slippery hair and you've got the right size, but you just, if depending on the beading and the metal, sometimes it just wants to slide along slippery hair. This is a great answer for that because it really does grip the hair well. So with this same medium in my half back, I'm going to place that pin. You have to be careful since you've got the elastic on it. You don't rip your hair, but I can slide that in there, and now that is really secure and it's not going to fall out. So even with just a half back, I can wear a larger clip. Just some tips and tricks for you. So remember, when you're fine tuning, you can squeeze the loops to make it a little bit longer. You can round them out to make them a little smaller or shorter, or you can add the elastics. The last tip I have, if you're in between sizes, is to check out our leather-like line. Okay, it's a faux leather, it's not real leather, but they just tend to fit smaller. So if you're trying to decide you're between a medium and a small, you could go with a medium of the look of leather, and it's probably going to fit in between the small and the medium. So if a small is too tight, medium's too big, try one of the leathers. Also great for individuals with really slippery hair. So I do love our leather line, and we've got several different styles in that, not as many as the beaded Flexis, but they are an option. So hopefully those tips and tricks will help you fine tune and adjust any Lilla Rose products you have. As always, we have an amazing return policy. If you order a Flexi, it's too big, it's not too small, it's not the right size, you can return that within 90 days to get the right size, and we will help you out with that. You can hunt a Lilla Rose stylist down. We would love to help you. Finding your size in person is always the best. But if you're not, we would love to be able to help you out with these. So thanks so much. Really appreciate it. Bye-bye.